Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing the sold out July Lavella beauty box. If you know everything there is to know about this subscription, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. But if you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. Lavella Beauty is a beauty monthly subscription box based in the UK, and they currently only ship within the UK. They started their subscription at the start of the year, and I've been subscribing for the last couple of months, and I really like it. It's a little bit different, as in a lot of the products inside the boxes you won't see in other subscription boxes. Well, not yet anyway. This is what I'm getting from it. I'm a bit of a subscription box addict, if you didn't already know. I receive boxes to unbox, plus I subscribe to a lot of boxes to unbox as well for my channel. So it's nice to see a new subscription that is affordable. It's £15 a month, and that includes shipping, and contains some really lovely products. So yeah, I am really excited for them. The fact that they've had now 2 months sold out completely. But if you're interested in this subscription for yourself, they have opened a pre-order for their August box, which has a value of over £100. I'll pop a link to their subscription and their website down in my description, so you can take a look there if you want. But underneath this video, see a show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description, and everything will be listed down there. But yeah, so far so good, and I'm loving it. I am loving it. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their sold out July box. I know it's only small, but I love the detail. I love the little detail. Every month we get a little dried flower. We've had a pampas, we've had lavender, and I don't know what these orange little flowers are, but it's just lovely. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. And there's a card inside the box, and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. So the first item in the box is by Schwarzkopf, and this has got to be a Scentalicious Ocean Vibe hair perfume, and this is 75 mils here. I have never ever tried a hair perfume before. I love this brand, absolutely love it. I use their hairspray, the glued hairspray in a big yellow bottle. I've been using it for years. In last month's Lavella Beauty box, we got the most brilliant item. It's a fine hair wand. So when I've tied my hair back, or I want to have a really neat like middle part in, sometimes I've got lots of fluffy hair sticking up, then that wand like flattens it down without it looking too stick and greasy. Fab. Okay, I've had a look at the products, but I haven't had any sniffs, swatches, anything like that, so I wanted to save it for the video. But let's put some in my hair. Oh, it feels nice. Oh, I just love sprays. Ooh! Ah, what is the smell? It smells beachy. Oh, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous smell. I do wonder why you would use a hair perfume, I've got to be honest. Can you put it on your body as well? But, oh, the smell is stunning. It says freshen up with a Scentalicious Ocean Vibe hair perfume, perfect for hot summer days. Use in short bursts from 20 centimeters distance for use on hair only. I suppose if you didn't want to wear perfume on a really hot day, I don't know, maybe because you've got suntan lotion, you don't want a reaction or whatever, but you do want to smell nice, then this will come in handy. I absolutely love the smell. I can't describe to you what it is. It's beachy, but it's not tropical. It's not like coconut, passion fruit, mango, banana type smell. It's not. It is literally like a perfume. I don't know. It's nice though. It is nice. So yeah, so we got that. Then we got a little massaging tool. I can imagine this rolling my feet on the floor would be amazing. I haven't got one of these. I have got quite a few different massaging tools, but no, I haven't got one of these. This natural wooden foot roller massager is simple to use. Using the foot roller after a long working day will not only improve circulation, but will make your feet feel like they're in heaven. Yeah, I can imagine. Or even really long walks. Really long walks, just, oh. Yeah, I am happy with that, really happy. Next we've got a mask. This is by Technic, Illuminating Pineapple Sheet Mask with willow bark and green tea extracts. It's a Korean sheet mask there. I didn't know Technic did sheet masks. No, it's the first time I heard of it. Sheet mask infused with pineapple and green tea to smooth, soften and illuminate the skin. It says apply mask to clean, dry skin and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mask and gently massage any remaining essence into the skin. There's that. Next we got a nail polish. This is by Emery Nails in shade Mink. I absolutely love that shade. I think I've already got this one though. I think I have. It rings a bell. I have gel nails, so yeah, so I won't be applying any nail polish to my fingernails, but I do apply polish to my toenails. Mink is a gorgeous dusky pink shade. It is warm and alluring with soft and subtle tawny undertones, perfect for any skin tone. This luxurious cream formula is easy to apply, long lasting and finished in a flawless high gloss shine. Apply to your nails one by one and wait until dry. So you've got nail polish. And then we've got a load of products from Lancaster. So starting off with a tan maximizer after sun, soothing moisturizer, and it prolongs a tan by 1 month. And we've got 50 mils here. Wow, that's a big claim. I'm thinking fake tan. Whenever I go on holiday or sunny day where I'm stripped off to hardly anything, it's factor 50 all over, so I never tan. I fake tan a lot, so I was just thinking, whoa, keeps your tan looking fresh for up to a month. Whoa, miracle product. But no, it's obviously natural tan, isn't it? Obviously. This refreshing after sun contains a repairing complex that instantly soothes your skin. It reduces the risk of peeling and leaves skin supple. The soothing lotion rehydrates and softens skin with a velvety finish. So we've got a tan maximizer. Next we've got a Sun Beauty Sublime Tan Velvet Milk SPF 30. This is for your body. The Lancaster Sun Beauty Velvet Milk SPF 30 for body brings you broad spectrum protection as it helps you develop a long-lasting golden tan. That is going to be one for my husband. He does not wear factor 50. He prefers to wear lower SPFs. So I'll give that to him. Then we've got a Sun Beauty Sublime Tan for your face this time. This is Velvet Cream SPF 30. And I'll keep this for myself. And it says here, doesn't your face deserve the broadest, highest quality sun protection? Lancaster's Sun Beauty Velvet Cream SPF 30 brings you broad spectrum protection as it helps you develop a radiant, even tan. The unique formula combines exclusive full light technology which targets 100% of the sun's rays and our reinforced tan activator complex. Enjoy that golden tan. I would love to have a natural tan with a high SPF. I would love it. I was diagnosed with malignant melanoma in my 20s and I am petrified of getting skin cancer again. Really petrified, as it runs in my family, and my auntie unfortunately passed away a couple of years ago from it as well. So that's why I'm factor 50. But I'd love to have a tan. Just a faff with a fake one all the time, isn't it? But never mind. Next we've got I am not doing these in order, by the way, I'm just grabbing them as I see them in the box. This is a pre-tan exfoliator and we've got 50 mils here. And I like that. I like that. I'll be using that before fake tanning. Combining scrubbing agents and macadamia oil, this formula helps your skin feel instantly soft and smooth by eliminating dead skin cells. Exfoliate a few days prior to sun exposure for optimal tanning results. And then lastly, we've got a little teeny tiny sample of Infinite Bronze. It's a face bronzer, and we've got 3 mils here. There's a little one there. This gently tinted moisturising cream gel texture glides on easily and blends invisibly. Use it alone or as a base for your makeup for a sun-kissed glow. I love face bronzers. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So those are all the items inside this month's Lavella Beauty Box. There's lots and lots of products in here. It doesn't tell me... Oh, I forgot one thing as well. And I always have one of these. Oh, there's a little card. And this is by Oh Squirrel. Every single month you get a little card. It's a little postcard. You can either pass it on to someone or you can frame it. I hope you know how amazing you are doing. I really like the products. I really like the products. There's a few of the tan products that I'll be passing on to my husband. He'll wear them, no problem there, so not wasted at all. But yeah, the foot roller, the hair perfume is a bit different, isn't it? I really like it. I really like it. So I'll just go through it one by one, showing you what's inside, give you a bit of a recap. So we've got a little card by Oh Squirrel. We've got a Technic pineapple mask. We've got a foot rolling massager. We've got a Got To Be hair perfume. We've got an Emery Nails nail polish. We've got a body scrub by Lancaster. We've got an SPF 30 body cream. We've I've got an SPF 30 facial cream. I've got a after sun cream and tan prolonger. And lastly, a little sample of Lancaster face bronzer. Do you subscribe to Lavella Beauty? If so, what do you think of this month's box? Or even if you don't subscribe, if you're learning about this subscription for the first time, what do you think of the products in this sold out July box? Will you be subscribing to their August box? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.